friends, so I'm on my phone right now and we are about to get web hosting. So let's just create an account and get a web hosting account. Okay, so you need to keep your book ready so that once we get into this website you start creating an account. I'm going to go ahead into my browser and type in, you can go to Google, so you can type in google.com and search for Google. Into Google, just type in 00030, then web host. That's the website we are going to use to get a free our free hosting. So search, when you search for it, this options are going to pop up. These are ads, so just dodge them, scroll down until where it says 000 web host. Click Google and change this to desktop version on Google. Okay, here, and then I can now click on this. Okay, so now I have the desktop version here loading up in 5 seconds, and everything seems to be good. I have everything in English, but if everything is not in English, always look for this button here. There's this button here that gives you language. You can just click there and choose your language. From here, what we need to do is examine the kind of hosting we have. So you can see that we have a free web hosting here, which is $0. But look at this, it gives you just the ability to build just one website. It gives you a 300 megabyte of space, limited bandwidth of 3 gigabyte, and no email account. It doesn't allow for email account. It doesn't allow support, so you cannot contact them for support. They don't give you a free domain, so what they give you is a subdomain. Like I told you, we are going to be using a subdomain because domains are bought. So the only way you can get a free domain here is if you maybe take for example, you take an option, which is, for example, this option of $2 per month. You can see that we can have up to 100 websites, and you see that this thing has a free domain included. There's also what is called a free SSL certificate. You can see it there, the free SSL certificate. That's it. And we are going to talk more about that, but it is a protection key. For example, if I'm scrolling, and when you scroll somewhere, you always go to a website and they tell you the website is not protected, it's because it does not have that certificate. Don't bother, you don't need to go to school to obtain that certificate. No, you just need to buy it. So let's get this done. So here we are going to click on sign up for this 0. So we go down under the 0 and click on sign up, and you surely want to sign up here. So put in an email you have. So let me put in one of my emails. Yes, then let's go ahead and put in a password. I'm going to pause and come back after I must have put on my password. Okay, I just went and put in my password. Right now, let me click on sign up. Okay, it gives me some images to pick up, and it says please select the images containing a truck. So this image contains a truck. It's not really that clear. I think just one image has a truck here, the others don't have. So I'm going to click on verify. Okay, they gave me another one again. Click on the image containing an airplane. So almost all these images contains airplane. So let's go ahead and click on them and verify. So there, it's verified. It's verified. It's okay. We didn't even need to click on sign up again. So it's creating an account. It's creating us an account. So good. Now, big bro, I have an account already. Still get anything? So if you check here at the bottom, it says that we've sent a confirmation email and it's on the way. You need to continue your journey by verifying this email. If you don't know how to go check it out, remember the email you put in that box when registering should be an email that you already have in your phone, your Gmail. So let's get into this. Let's go to my Gmail box. This is my Gmail, and I'm going to look for the email I used. So let me look for the email I used, or maybe just come here. It appears up there. So at the notification bar that it appears. So just need to click to verify your email. once it opens up, your email has been verified. So verifying your email, that's what it's saying. Okay, so after some seconds it shows emails verified. So let me go back to my account here, and it's going to load again, I'm sure, to bring me up to new things. So now my email has been verified. If your email is not verified, just click the link again. So it say, you see now we have a button that says let's get started. That is it. There's a button here, and let's create some magic. Then let's click on the button. So we click on that button. Now it brings us to question. We have so many things here, like build an online store, create a web design, learn web development, start a blog, and others. You can do any of them. So I'm going to click on start a blog. You can also click on others, anyone you want. Let's see. But I just come. I just need. Okay, we just click on others. So I'll click on. Just give it a name. For example, let's say my website is. I want my website to be like Big Brother. So I'm just using Big Brother. I just love Big Brother. I don't know. I've been using Big Brother all this while. So let's give it Big Brother. Okay, you maybe you want to keep this password. Okay, maybe you want to keep this password. So now copy that password and copy the Big Brother and keep it, and then submit this. Okay, so this name has already been used according to what it's saying. So let's give it Big Brother. Okay, let's give them design king. Yes, design kings and queen. If this somebody had this one, I don't know what would you. So okay, so design kings and queens, but this is really bad. It's too long. Oh my god, I really I really want to see, but just make it short, guys. Make it short. Don't make it too long as mine. This is just too long. So let it load up and we'll see what comes up. Okay, so we just loaded up, and to install WordPress, so I'm going to go for installation of WordPress. Here, just click on WordPress, and now you need to put in this admin name here. So go ahead and put in the admin name. I'm going to use Big Brother again. So now here you need to put in a password which is really strong, so something which is more than 12 characters long. So let's go ahead and put in something more than 12 characters long. So let me click on hide. So there you see that. Okay, okay, for the sake of the video, I just continued with the same thing all over. I put in Big Brother here. I think something is being required here, so let me give you that. Come down here, put in design kings and queens one, then a dollar sign. You need letters, numbers, and even characters. So now that I'm done, I click on install, and it's going to install WordPress for me. This process will take at least 1 minute 30 seconds, so you just need to wait until it's done. So we'll come back when it is done. If you got this far, congratulations to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Okay, so now it has installed, and you can just click on go to configuration page. This will carry you to the back end. Remember that Big Brother we put here? It was Big Brothers in capital letter, so I'm going to rewrite it back, Big Brother, and I added one to it. So I told you to keep that password, but I made mine so simple, so we are going to write it back, design. The king is in capital letter with S, then, and the queen is in capital letters, design kings and queens, S, and then I remember I put one, and then there was a dollar sign after that. So you need to remember your password very well, then click on login. As you can see, I am now where I needed to be. This is what we call WordPress. I'm going to save this. This is a WordPress dashboard. I'm sorry about the noise at the background. So if you've gotten to this page right now, congratulations, you now own web you now have a web hosting account, and you can see the name of my website is you can see there it is design kings and queens dot 000 webhostapp.com. So it's really long because I would have just written design so that it becomes design.00 webhostapp.com. The reason why we add this 00 web was because it's a subdomain. If it was just a domain name, I would have had just design kingsandqueens.com. So this 000 web host app is adding there because it's a subdomain. You're having a domain under their domain name. So let's just continue, guys. So congratulations, you now have web hosting. Our next target is to learn WordPress, where we are right now. So by the time we learn the whole of this WordPress, then we are having the advantage to do anything.